Welcome back for the first time. This game. I don't even know what it is, but we're gonna play it. For the first time, we're playing this game. It's a horror game. That's what I know.
News. The plane carrying an unknown monster made an emergency landing. According to the information, one of the pilots picked up the phone and read the message, "Do not read SMS from an unfamiliar number." I believed it? What nonsense.
Huh. Nonsense. Oh my gosh. Hang on. Alright. So we're all good. Are we still? Alright, let's go to sleep, chat. What the fuck? What the fuck?
What the hell happened here? Don't believe I existed. What? Let's see how you like this nightmare. What the hell does this mean?
Oh. What the f-
What the hell is going on here? Who the hell is in the closet? There's no banging on the door.
What the? What? What is that? What is that?
How was it attached? The bones don't seem to be broken. What is this place? This is not our home!
Yo, something is going on.
No!
You are dead. Try again. So don't go over that, okay? You have to try to escape.
My dear friend gave me this book 15 years ago. Now, our paths have diverged greatly, but I keep this book as a bright memory. You can take a look if you want. It's the second shelf, the 12th book. I highly recommend reading it as well.
So that leads to my death. Yeah, I do not know what to do I?
If you find this letter, it means I still haven't returned and I need help. I went down to the secret passage behind the closet. Don't be fooled by the door. It's a trap. The boards will fail. This monster, it's too smart and too dangerous. Save this key. It will still come in handy.
Behind.
My dear friend gave me this book 15
Hang on,
years.
no, that's not what I want, bruh. So behind this shelf or no behind? Can I move it? Does it say behind bookshelf?
If you find this letter, it means I still haven't returned and I need help.
Passage behind the closet. Does it want me to like? Bro! Why these games are so confusing. Oh. What the fuck? was that? She don't like that.
If you find this letter, it means I still haven't returned and I need help. I went down to the secret passage behind the closet.
I
Don't
go.
be fooled by the door. It's a trap.
Behind the closet. I don't think that's a closet. That's a bookshelf, so this would have to be it, but I don't know how to move the bookshelf.
Great. It wasn't that hard. Damn it doesn't give in.
So wait, where's the key at? Oh, it's right here. Now we're cooking with some gas.
No!
Bro. Move around. It's this blue book, right?
Great. It wasn't that hard. What? What is this place? Prison?
Key. Snatch. So you always check the drawers, kids. You never know what's hiding in there.
I was able to catch her in a cage. We were sure that it was a good idea to transport her by plane. How wrong we were. She became angrier and more dangerous. She needs to be stopped.
I agree.
I can't open this door.
Why not, honey bun?
Who is this in our cage? Huh. What an awkward situation. It's so familiar to me. In any case, you won't get out. Goodbye.
What the? Enter.
Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit!
3.
Come on, find a way out of here.
First one, triangle. Second, square.
Come on, fake! Come on, fake! Oh, damn. Come on, damn. Oh, damn.
Oh! No! This is bad. Huh. Not let me click try again. Bro. How do I click try again? F? Alright, we're gonna continue. I think I need to do this. back here. Ah, this is kind of stupid. All right, but a speed run. We know what to do.
Great. It wasn't that hard.
Let's go, brothers. Run down the road.
What?
What kind of place is this?
What is this place? Prison?
All right, I'm gonna grab this, and I'm gonna not go in there.
The door is locked with some kind of unusual key. I can't open this door. Apparently it's locked on some kind of mechanism, but I need to find out what. Who is this in our cage?
Should we listen to it again? We're gonna listen to
What
it.
an awkward situation.
Holy
No, we're not.
Holy shit, holy shit, holy shit.
I love how it goes.
Run. It's a bird with a woman's face. She is merciless. I tried to get out, but this chicken won't find a way out of here. Gave me a beat down. I could hear the sound of footsteps.
Come on, fake. Come on, fake. Oh, damn. Come on, damn. Oh, damn.
All right, I think I have to restart this way like every time. It's just stupid.
If you find this letter, great. It wasn't that hard.
What? What is this place? Prison?
Oh, great. The door's locked.
There's like nothing for me to do except for.
I can't open this door.
She is a hideous creature.
Holy shit, holy shit, holy shit.
Come on, find a way out of here.
Let's go. We did it. That fucking scares the shit out of me. That scares. Oh.
It stinks in here. The bolts are installed firmly. I can't open it with my hands. Nothing happened. Maybe one more time?
Okay.
It looks like something may have gone down the pipes. Maybe I shouldn't twist anything anymore.
Twist it again. Okay, well. What am I gonna say? Dude, I forgot the password. Okay, I'll see. Oh my god. Alright, well, I'll let you guys know when I'm back to where I was at. Dude. I'm trying to figure out this out, bro, but like, look. Bro.
Oh!
You see what I'm saying? Is it this? Okay, I fixed it. So let's get the key.
Great.
Hit this.
It wasn't that hard.
What? Oh. Wait a minute. Okay, so we know it's in that room. I do not know what that was. So, grab key.
Great.
Push that back.
It wasn't that hard.
What? What is this place? Prison?
Who is this in our cage? Huh. What an awkward situation.
Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit!
Yeah, it's a 3 on the triangle.
Come on, find a way out of here.
Why did my hands go like that? Alright. Wait, is there like a...
Apparently it's locked on some kind of mechanism, but I need to find out what. The door is locked with some kind of unusual key. But where can I find it?
Wait, no, nothing's in here, so I'm not even gotta be scared. Don't even have to be scared. Oh, but it's so fucking scary. I'm locked in, and that's what makes it even more scary. Ooh.
Ugh, it stinks in here. The bolts are installed firmly. I can't open it with my hands.
Alright, I have no clue.
I was able to catch her in a cage. We were sure that it was a good idea to transport her by plane. How wrong we were. She became angrier and more dangerous. She needs to be stopped.
Crowbar. Duh. I'm a retard. You get the crowbar. Wake up and smell the ashes. Get back in here. Yes, King.
This place is locked for a reason. There's clearly something here.
Alright, but this is also scary for a reason. It's because if I was in this situation. The creature has been tormenting me for several days. I have nothing to eat. Looks like this is the end in vain. I got involved in this matter and agreed to transport her from that estate. Why? You do this now? This is bad timing. I promise you it is. Okay, good. Nothing. Yahtzee. Ugly ass bitch.
Oh, did she notice me? It seems like it passed.
Okay, it did not fucking pass. It did not fucking pass. Oh, shit. What the fuck? Fucking run, don't just jump. Bro, are you
thing? How do I get out now if she's there?
Yo, I need a new keyboard. Should I climb through? Oh, don't do that. You fucking bitch. Don't do that. Don't do that, bitch. You're a bitch. That's laughing, not crying, right, bitch? You're a whore. Fucking bitch. Fucking bitch. I swear.
Huh? Where did she go? I just saw her.
I can't open this door.
Can I open this door?
It looks like some kind of old prison with a security.
Security?
But who the hell was being held
App store.
here?
Wow. Yeah, the only reason I'm doing that is because the thing's like really weird. Is there supposed to be? Oh, this was a recording. Boom. Call me a genius, Dad. See, like, it's like weird.
Huh? She's gone somewhere again? What kind of game are you playing?
Ain't no way you mad at this girl. Like, holy zest fest. Oh, so I'm gonna open this door so I don't have to crawl through all that vintage again. But like, why?
Oh, you're so resistant. I like to feel your fear.
Love you too, Grandma. Grandma's a bitch. Tell you that much. Fucking bitch. Oh. Of course he goes there, it's like, Oh yeah. First time it scared me, not gonna lie. Camera 2, open door. Camera 3, open. Door was already open this time? What kind of games are you playing?
Huh? She's gone somewhere again? What kind of game are you playing?
I believe she's playing this game right here. Just saying. Why is the crowbar missing? Some of the crowbars.
Oh, you're so resistant.
Yeah, I know. Thanks, Batty. Batty love. Batty, I love. Batty, did you get in here? Yeah, I see you.
Damn, the tire iron's broken.
Fucking run. I'm out of here. I'm out of here, bitch. Run! 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 Rock and roll. This is some rocking out music, bro. To be continued? Alright. Well, that is the ending for the first bit of Motherbird Final Story. I will see if their part 2's out yet, and I'll see all that. If you guys like this content, this is first ever PC video. It was a horror game. I think that's pretty reasonable. Probably heard me scream a lot. But, you know, I think this was a pretty decent video. Yeah, see you all in the next one. Bye.